Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So I was about to go to Kamukunji as I told you guys earlier, but before the sun goes down I want to quickly do a haul.
Guys, my goodness,
I want to quickly do a haul before the sun goes down and before I leave the house. And yeah, so I had told you earlier that it's on Saturday morning. My scalp has really been itching. So yesterday I went to town. Nilikuwa naenda kutafuta mafuta ya kupaka scalp, ya ku anti-itching scalp, and I bought this one. I was going to Initangoaje, Best Lady, so I got this one at Best Lady. And it's nice, by the way. Ever since yesterday I have applied this one and it's nice. It's nice, by the way. My phone is ringing. That's probably my sister. And then by the way, my first stop was at Best Lady. I had not even planned to go to Dubois. Then after I went to Best Lady, alafu sikupata mafuta yenye ilikuwa imenipeleka huko juu. It was not this one. I wanted to buy the anti-itching something ya olive, and then sikupata, so I opted to go to Dubois. And oh my god, that's the real plug. I know someone told me ati hizo vitu za Dubois so ni fake and something, but I've always bought things from Dubois and they are nice. Alafu YouTubers have always gone there and I've never seen someone complaining, so I think they are so nice. And yeah, the work is good as the ones that I buy from the super. And then I got this mousse. I've always wanted to buy a mousse, so I got this one for olive oil. And imagine, in Best Lady it was going for $630, and from Dubois I got it for $350, half the price. Imagine. I was so happy I didn't get it at Best Lady, because that was quite a save. I was so happy at least I didn't get it there. And then I've always asked myself, because I've always seen you guys doing your shower routine, most YouTubers and most people have a lot of shower gels, like 5 types, and mimi nakwanga tu na 1 type, alafu naongezanga hadi iishe kabisa so that I can buy another one, then inaisha, then I buy another one. That's what I've always done. That's what I've always done. And then I was like, I want to have a variety, and I've always wanted to buy a Dove shower gel, and I bought this one. And actually I'm going for a lot of them because I want to have a variety. Alafu they are smelling so nice. Actually I wanted to buy like 3, but I was on a tight budget, plus I had not budgeted, so I just got this one, and it's smelling so good. You guys, it's smelling so good. Alafu I posted on my IG and people are telling me, oh, if they are from Dubois they are not good and stuff, but me, I don't mind, imagine trying. Alafu I've always seen YouTubers buy them, alafu they don't complain, alafu they are smelling so nice, so I'm definitely trying them. And this is the lotion that I got, and guys, it's smelling heavenly. It's smelling so it's smelling so good. I've never had a lotion that is smelling this good. And nimenunua ya Dove but kadogo, alafu kalikuwa kananuka vibaya. I got it from the supermarket and it was smelling so bad, so I thought maybe all the products za Dove zinanukanga vibaya. And when I got this one, it's smelling so good. I can't wait to buy others. I don't mind how you guys are going to say at you they are fake or nini. I'm still going to buy others because they are so affordable. They are so very affordable. And sometimes I get even my products, maybe mafuta ama body lotion, from local cosmetic shops. And where do you guys think they get their products? Maybe they get them from Dubois, you never know. Yeah, so this one I got it for 500, this one I got it for 500 bob, and this one I got it for 300 and something. And imagine I was getting it in Dubois at 200 and something, but it's okay. And this one I got it for 350, and at kunaitwaje huku Best Lady it was going for 630. I'm so glad I didn't get it there. And then my cousin got this one. This is Hobby shower gel. It's a marshmallow, and guys, it's also smelling so good. And imagine this one was going for 300 bob. I'm restocking this and this one soon. I want to buy a nice rack for the bathroom, and then I will arrange them like I see you guys arranging, like nizazipanga hapo juu. then it will be looking nice. Can't even imagine.
And then soon I'll be doing shower routine, and then I'll show you guys my shower gels. I will choose from one like this.
I got this one. This is a body splash. And I've always wanted to buy these two small ones because mi nanuanga kubwa, alafu inaka, you know, when something is big afu ukitumia for a long time inakonga boring, hadi unasikia ni kama hainuki tena. So I'll be buying these two small ones, like 5 types, and then yeah, so that I can have a variety, so that I can smell different each day, you know. Yeah, and then this one was going for 100 bob, and around it goes for 150. So you see, I saved 100 bob, a whole 50 bob, a whole 50 bob. Yeah. And then we got this one. I got from Best Lady. This one was going for 400 and something, almost 500. And see how this one is wrapped. It's wrapped like it's so expensive, yet it's so cheap, affordable. It's affordable. 500 is not cheap, it's affordable, and it looks so nice. See that, you guys? Inaka classy, like it looks like some expensive perfume, and yeah, it looks so good. Plus I love the smell. It's smelling so good. Yeah, so I got this one. It's called Lady Doral Woman. It's for women. And this one is for my cousin. It's also smelling so good. This one is called Celibacy. It's smelling so nice. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And that's everything that I got from town, from Dubois. And I got the products from the famous shop because the pressure, not even the pressure, I was always wanted to go to that shop, by the way, but time haijaifika. Alafu everything is so affordable. Alafu they are selling so much. They are selling everything there. They are selling Harpic, they are selling Colgate, all, like everything. They are selling soaps. Thank you so much for watching. Let me see you guys on my next video. And yeah, so in the meantime, let me get moving to Kamukunji, and I'll see you guys later because I'm about to have a very productive and long day. Yeah, thank you so much guys for always coming back to watch my content. And yeah, so that shop is called Dubois Beauty, ground floor. You'll just see it on your left side. Yeah, and I'm sure you guys have seen those videos. There are so many videos that YouTubers have been doing the past 2 months. YouTubers have been doing where to buy cheap beauty products, some products, what products in Dubois, and yeah, they have given really nice directions on where you can find them. And yeah, so I can be here talking and talking. I'll see you guys later.
If you're down, I could take you on a cruise. If you're down, I might put her ass on snooze. If you're down, maybe we could break the rules. If you're
Simpaka hiyo.
just let me know, yeah.
Sifanye 30 times 5 150. Guy, hiyo si ni karibu nini mzima, box mzima. Oh, by the way ni 12 by the way. Eh? Inigyo masih komi.
Hey loves, welcome to this vlog. So as you have seen, I just came in. Okay, everything is everywhere. Let me just keep the blender here so that I can show you what I got from the supermarket. I did a small shopping. I didn't do a lot of shopping, by the way. And today is on Thursday. Yeah, today is on Thursday. I added milk. Today I didn't buy a box of milk, so I added 10 of them because I still have a lot remaining. I drink up to 2 packets of milk a day, and that's why I normally buy a lot of them. Then I got myself a pair of slippers. Yeah, I love these slippers. They look so good. Yeah, so I got this. And then I got this yogurt.
I hope you guys can see. I hope it's clear.
I've never tried this, so I want to try this. Then I got this. These are cornflakes. At least my containers will not be empty. No, this was the highlight for the shopping, for today's shopping. I got these ones. I think this one is on offer because it was so cheap and yet it looks so nice. I don't have a sugar dish. I got this one and it's so cute. You guys see that? I'm trying to hurry up because my battery is going down. I got this one for 200 bob only. Imagine 200 and it's glass. And how cute is this? Then I added tissue. These ones I got for 120 something. Then I got this go fruit. I've never tried this. This is multi fruit and it looks nice. Inaka itakuwa tamu. Then I got queen cakes. Yeah, these ones were going for I think 150, something like that. And what else? Then I got soy sauce. I don't have soy sauce, and of course I got this because it has a free gift. And yeah, I didn't have any in the house. That's just everything that I added.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. They say, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine, you'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch my mind.
Today for the first time I want to wash my curtains. You can see how this one is dirty. It's so dusty. Ever since I moved to this house I've never washed my curtains, and I feel like it's about time because hey, so I want to wash, but I'm not sure if I'm going to wash my curtains.
It's a battle, I'm trying to hide it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself
Uhara.
Utakuwa na watch hizo TikTok kama nikosane na wewe.
Hata ndio nimefungua saa hii. Nimepata zimekuwa mingi, sijakuwa nikiingia TikTok. Sasa nimepatana nazo mob.
Introducing indoor cam by Brain. See, here, inside your home.
Ama tukosane.
Indoor cam is small, like really small.
Allah.
So you can put it here, or here.
Uko how?
With 1, 2, or more indoor cams and monitor all of them at once. Or just use Alexa.
Yes, we are curtains. Niliosha tu share.
Turn motion review
Guy,
on.
kwa nini unapanda juu?
Or turn it off when you don't want to do that. And if your ring alarm is triggered, the indoor cam records automatically.
You want us to play games?
And family with a small, sleek, and discreet indoor cam by Brain.
Alexa sound.
Oh my god. Acha niingize nini? Hapa. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Nini hizi zinacheza kwa TV? Very noisy. I've already put back the...
Acha niende nikachukue.
Kuchukua nani? Oh, msalimie. Abu salimia watu wangu. Salimia watu wangu.
Watu wa Kikky, hi.
Sawa, usalimie Moffat.
Sawa.
La, amekuvisit.
Imagine.
Oh, bye. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, so guys, I had washed my chair. Yesterday I was to wash my curtains, but I figured out. But by the way, niliona si chafu. That's why I just washed the chair because it's white. Si ukate simu wewe. Heri mjinga sana. Kata simu. Unajua nitakupost ukifanya hivyo. So, I just washed the chair. You know it's white, so it was so visible. Ilikuwa chafu, it was dusty, but I didn't wash the curtains. Curtains are not even dirty. Sijui, you guys comment below after how long you wash your curtains, because I feel like they are not dirty. Imagine they are so clean. I just dusted my window, nikapanguza, and yeah, it's all clean. I want to make mandazi for my breakfast, and I'm following her recipe because I feel like it's easy and she has everything. She's using everything that I have. I have milk, I have salt, I have baking powder, and I have my flour, I have my sugar, and yeah, that's all that I'll be using. And let's get started. I have this big basin. I don't have a small one yet. I'm making like 10 mandazi, yeah, but this will do because I don't have a smaller one. I don't have a roller. I don't know if that's the name. Ile kitu ya kunini chapo. I'm just going to use this. Yeah, but I'm getting one soon. I want even to learn how to make chapos. I don't know how to make chapos. Yeah.
At that time I was
so I think I will get one.